Mutumia wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Pastor Dorcas Rigathi niacereire anake 28 korokoro-ini ya Shimulatewa. Icera-ini riake niomiririe anake acio macenjie mithiire yao niguo makenerere uturo thutha wa korokoro.
Mukiamini tumewaombea, mukiamini na mfanye mambo, mbadilishe mawazo yenu. Kwa wakati mdogo mtaona mtaenda nyumbani. Na mimi kana mama nitakuwa nimewagojea, mkuje munijengee nyumba, munishonee nguo, nimeona mnaweza shona na mupate ajira huko nje.
Dorcas acera-ini riu ni aheanire mabuku ma guthoma, indo cia lab na computer cia kumateithia mathomo-ini mao.
So today Her Excellency, the spouse of the Deputy President, coming here is actually a blessing to us because she has made sure that she has fulfilled her promise to support us, and she has brought us enough textbooks, reading materials for the formal education, the computer lab equipments, the computers, we have also received enough reagents and equipment for the science lab. The boys have received the dignity packs.
Justina Mwang'ombe na Baron Olivia aria ni amwe atongoria ni maugite ni mekunyita baru Pastor Dorcas Rigathi mutaratara-ini wa gucenjia uturo wa mwana wa kahi.
The partnership with the office of the spouse of the Deputy President is really a very unique one. It's one where we join forces. It's one where we enable each of each other within their strengths, and for me it's only the beginning. It's really about enabling and empowering this partnership, making it escalate, I would say, to higher impact, more people involved, more projects involved. So I'm extremely proud to be associated with this beautiful foundation, and very, very humbled having witnessed with 204 young people here today how they are so warmly welcomed, I would say, by the office of the Deputy President's spouse.
Kirifotera Mudingi TV, Geto Wageshi Wawashira.